When you plan a new heating system, one choice can shape your whole project. Should you use a vertical thermal oil heater or a horizontal one? This question matters more than many people think. The heater you choose affects your fuel cost, your maintenance time, your space planning, and even the safety of your daily operation. Today, I will walk you through both options in a clear and simple way. No complicated terms, no long explanations, just the key facts you need to make the right decision for your factory. So, let's begin with the vertical design. Let's start with the vertical model. A vertical heater stands upright. Its footprint is small, so it fits well in tight spaces or older plants with limited room. The structure is simple and the installation is fast. Many users choose it when they need quick setup and stable heat. The vertical design allows natural circulation inside the coil. This helps improve safety by reducing the chance of local overheating. It also means the system is easier to maintain because the layout is clear and direct. However, the heating surface in a vertical unit is more compact. While this works well for small and medium heat loads, it may not be the best choice for very high capacity needs. Now let's look at the horizontal model. This heater lies flat. Because of the longer coil layout, the heating surface is larger. This gives the heater higher thermal efficiency and better fuel savings. A horizontal heater can handle larger capacities. It is often used in plants that run long hours and need strong, stable heat output. The heat transfer is more even, which helps the system stay efficient over time. But a horizontal unit needs more ground space. The installation area must be wide enough so it may not fit in small workshops. It also requires a bit more time for setup because of its longer structure. So, which heater is the right choice for you? If you want a compact design, quick setup, and moderate capacity, the vertical thermal oil heater is a smart and efficient option. If you need large output, high efficiency, and stable long-term operation, the horizontal heater will be a better fit. Both designs are safe, reliable, and widely used in many industries. Your final choice depends on your factory space, your production load, and your budget. And this is where Bidragon comes in. With years of experience in thermal oil heater engineering, Bidragon offers complete solutions tailored to your real needs. We provide professional design, strict quality control, and long-term technical support. No matter which model you choose, Bidragon helps you save energy, improve safety, and keep your production running smoothly every day. When you are ready to upgrade your system or start a new project, choose a partner who understands your goals. Choose a heater that matches your future, not just your present. Choose Bidragon.